In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall all the pre-installed bloatware and apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So as you may already know, Samsung really doesn't allow you to uninstall its own app from its Galaxy device. So even if you are not using them, these apps still take storage space. However, it's possible to remove these apps without rooting your phone. So for that, you'll first need to enable developer options. So head to the settings app. Scroll all the way down and here tap on about phone. Now in here scroll down and then tap on software information. Now here you will need to tap the build number rapidly. Now enter your lock screen passcode to unlock the developer option. Once you have enabled developer options, head to the Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy phone and download this Shizuku app. I'll also leave its link in the description. Now open it. Now here you will need to select the pairing option. Now here select notification options. Now allow the app to show the notifications on your phone. Now here you should see this developer options button. Simply tap on it. Now here you will need to scroll down and then enable this USB debugging. Additionally, you will also need to enable this wireless debugging option. Now tap on wireless debugging. Now in this menu you will need to select this pair device with pairing code. Now here you should see a pairing code. Now open the notifications panel, expand the Shizuku notification and here select enter pairing code. Now enter the same pairing code here. Once you see this pairing successful message, your next step is to head to the Play Store again and this time search for the Kanta app. So as you can see, I've already downloaded this Kanta debloater app. Simply open it. Now select proceed. Now here the app will show all the apps installed on your Samsung Galaxy phone, including the system apps. You'll also see these labels that mention whether the app is recommended to remove or unsafe to remove. So you want to leave out all the apps that are unsafe to remove. It's best not to remove apps that you don't recognize. From here, removing an app is as simple as selecting it. So you can head to the search menu and then type in, let's say YouTube for instance. Now select it from here and then tap on this trash icon at the bottom. Now it will ask you for a few permissions. Simply make sure that the Shizuku service is running. So you need to go to the Shizuku app and here select the start option. Now wait for the script to run. Now go back to the Kanta app. Next you will need to grant the Kanta app permission to use Shizuku. So select allow all the time. Now as you can see, the uninstall prompt is now appearing. So I can simply select the OK button here and the YouTube app will be uninstalled from my phone. So if I search for YouTube, it won't show up here. So as you can see, it's no longer showing up. Similarly, you can uninstall as many apps as you like. All you have to do is simply select the checkbox and then tap on this trash icon here. Now anytime you want to restore an app, let's say I want to bring back YouTube, I can simply go to this tab, select YouTube and then tap on this icon. Once I have done this, the YouTube app will reappear on my Samsung Galaxy phone and I should be able to use it. So this is how you can debloat your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.